Good morning and welcome to today's assembly regarding this year's SQA exams. At this time, it is the government's intention to have a full exam diet in 2022. This has been the government's position since August 2021, and unless there is a significant change in public health advice, the exams will go ahead. The exams are scheduled to run from Tuesday the 26th of April to Wednesday the 1st of June. Yesterday, a letter was sent home to the parents and carers of all our senior phase learners, and a copy posted onto the school website. This letter contains a lot of useful information relating to exams and how they will run here at school. I would advise you to take time to read this letter. One thing that I would point out here is especially regarding exam times. The SQA publish a timetable which has been online and available for many months now. But this exam timetable does not take into account local variances, such as our school day finishes at 3:25. As a result of this, several of our exams have a different start and end time to the online timetable. These exams are easily identifiable within the letter as the times have been made in bold, with an asterisk beside it showing. But please check the actual times of your exams. They may not be the same as is published in the SQA timetable. The correct version is contained within this letter. Exam leave is almost always the first question asked by learners, and this slide shows the details from the letter. Exam leave will be available for the duration of the exams, but you are of course welcome to come into school to study. So now we'll look at some of the exam practicalities. You will soon be given a copy of your exam entries to check. These are the entries that we currently hold and have notified to the SQA. We would like you to check that the course and the level are correct. If they are not, then please talk to your subject teacher. You will soon receive a copy of the SQA booklet, Your Exams 2022. Details of how to download the booklet are in the letter that was sent home, but this booklet will contain everything that you need to know about your exams. Please read it and again familiarise yourself with the content. So what happens here in school when we have exams? Well, our exams will be held mainly in the main hall, Gym 1, Gym 2 and the conference room, which is just beside the main hall in the C corridor. These areas of the school will be closed off and we will attempt to keep them as quiet as possible for your exams. If your exam is not in one of these main areas, we will let you know. This primarily will be learners who have different arrangements through our additional support faculty, and they will be advised of where their exams are. In the crush hall, we advertise where your exam will be on the actual day of the exam, so where you will sit the exam, and there will be a seating plan, and we ask you to sit in this seat. This supports our invigilators when administrating the exam. We ask that you make sure you are here in plenty of time to ensure you get to the right place in the right room for your exam. So, exam behaviour. We have an experienced invigilation team who run our exams for us, and they will guide you through the process. These staff are not teachers or employed by the school, but employed by the SQA, and their word is final when it comes to exams. Please respect these invigilators. They are the people in charge. Teachers are not allowed in the exam room. So listen to our invigilators, follow their instructions without question. They have the right to remove you from the exam room if you are not following instructions or disturbing others. So you must follow what they say. On the slide here you will see a picture taken from the Your Exams booklet. There are many items you are not allowed to take into the exam hall, especially mobile phones. I make no apologies for continuing the slide about exam conduct and especially mobile phones. This is a problem for us every year in assessments. They are simply not allowed in the room. Please do not take them with you to school on exam days. Do not take the chance of misconduct. Even if the phone is switched off, no charge, no signal, it is not allowed. So please do not take it with you. If you do, then this could be treated as misconduct. You may be removed from the exam room and subject to an SQA investigation. Posters regarding exam behaviour and prohibited items will be advertised and will be displayed around exam rooms. This is your responsibility to follow, so please do so. Full details again are in the Your Exam booklet. Moving on to revision. Please ask your teachers for help and support. Consider the ESOGL Easter support webinars that have been advertised within school. Messages were sent out last week to both you and to home. You will need to register for some of these courses, so please look at it now. And as per Miss Fleming's fantastic assembly of this week, try different techniques, try the study guides, try the study examples and the methods given. Talk to your teachers though, they are the experts. So now thinking about your actual results. 9th of August is the expected results day. So before your exams start, we will issue you with a copy of your estimate grade. This is a grade that we will send to the SQA and is our estimate on what you may get for your course. This estimate is based on our professional judgment on your demonstrated attainment within school. So that could be the assessment 1 you sat back in October, assessment 2 in January, or any other suitable, formal and appropriate SQA tests. So what if you're unable to attend or complete an exam? Exam exceptional circumstances may come into play. This service is not available if you've actually completed the exam but feel you underperformed due to some personal circumstance. If this is the case, then the appeal system is maybe where you need to consider. If you are unable to complete an exam or attend it, then you must tell us as soon as possible the reasons why, and we can consider the exam exceptional circumstances. What if you feel that the exam didn't go well, or that in general the whole system has been unfair for a number of reasons? Then you may be able to appeal against your award. You're able to appeal yourself through the SQA, or the school can consider an appeal. We won't be able to do this until your exam results are known in August, but you can only appeal if your actual grade is lower than your estimate grade. So your estimate grades are important. I'd like to end these assemblies regarding SQA exams by discussing our actual school exam performance. This slide here shows our performance of learners achieving 5 national 5s in S4, that's the blue bar, and those achieving 3 higher in S5, that's the grey bar. These are targets set to us by Aberdeenshire Council. If we look at their National 5 performance since 2013, you can see a steady and significant increase in performance. And the only reason that 2021 was lower than other years is because we did not get the results from NESCOL due to courses they are not finishing. We're probably double what we were back in 2013. And there's been a terrific rise in our performance over these years. If we look at the hires in 5th year, again we show a steady increase, and what this doesn't show is that almost half of our learners who are in 5th year actually get at least 3 hires. So what I'm saying here, and what I've said in many assemblies in the past, is that you should have total confidence in the teaching and the learning that you've been provided with. This shows that our staff prepare our learners for their progress and for their exams to an excellent level. Take confidence from that, and take confidence from the fact that we've got a great track record here, and this is something that you will build on. So just to finalise, SQA Exams 2022. Read the letter that was sent home yesterday. It contains a lot of useful information. Check the contents of the SQA Your Exams 2022 booklet. Start revising now. Ask for help from your teachers. Prepare well. Check your exam times. We all wish you luck. We all hope you do the best that you can possibly do. And please, please, if you're unsure of anything at all, then please ask us. Thank you very much for listening.